Audi India has introduced the new Q8 Celebration Edition in the country, priced at 98,98,000 rupees. The new entry-level variant is more affordable by 34 lakh rupees over the technology variant that retails at 1 crore 33 lakh rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. The new Audi Q8 Celebration trim is now more affordable and will attract a wider set of customers than before. Compared to the technology trim, the Q8 Celebration does miss out on a few features, including the adaptive suspension that has been replaced by the standard suspension with damper control. The Bang & Olufsen audio system has been dropped in favor of a standard Audi audio system. The Celebration Edition rides on 19-inch alloy wheels instead of 20-inch units, while the buttons are finished in matte black instead of aluminium. Bookings for the new Audi Q8 Celebration are now open at dealerships and online, while deliveries will begin soon. Hyundai India has announced that the new generation Creta bookings have crossed the 1,15,000 mark. The car was launched in March this year, just ahead of the nationwide lockdown being imposed, and even during the lockdown, the Creta has been the front runner in the compact SUV segment when it comes to sales. In fact, the company has also said that the wholesale figures for the new generation Creta now stand at 58,400 units. The new Creta's success has helped Hyundai India capture a market share of 26% between January and September this year in the compact SUV segment. The BlueLink connected technology equipped versions have been well received, with nearly 25,000 customers opting for these variants. The diesel version continues to contribute 60% to the Creta's total sales. The all-new Honda Highness CB350 has been launched at a special price of 1,85,000 rupees for the deluxe variant, going all the way up to 1,90,000 rupees for the Deluxe Pro variant. All prices are ex-showroom Gurugram. The Deluxe Pro variant gets dual-tone colors, dual horns finished in chrome, and the Honda smartphone voice-activated system, which offers Bluetooth connectivity through a dedicated mobile app. The new modern classic motorcycle is positioned in the 350 to 500cc segment and will be sold through Honda's Big Wing premium dealership network. The CB350 is closely priced to the top variant of the Royal Enfield Classic 350, while the Java Classic is more affordable in the same segment. Deliveries of the new Honda Highness CB350 will begin from mid-October, just in time for the festive season.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.